many people groupings of the Tairawhiti that are here tonight. Whether you be from a certain iwi, whether you be from a certain organisation, whether you be accidentally here because you found somebody's ticket that fell out of the back of their pocket as they were walking from nightclub to nightclub just last week. Tēnā koutou, welcome, welcome, it's good to have you here. It's good, I since having done this the first time as MC a couple of years ago, I've looked forward to this kaupapa, knowing that tonight we get to celebrate Tairawhititanga. We get to, as a Tairawhiti people, celebrate ourselves, which is not something that we do enough and not something that we do very much at all. When I was a kid growing up here in the Tairawhiti, when I used to tell people how good I was at singing, how masterful I was at holding a crowd under the spell of a joke, how good I was at playing rugby, no, how good I was at doing whatever it was that I was being good at doing at that time, I was swiftly told, shut up, show off. Tonight is when we stop the shut up, show off and we say, stand up, my brother. Tonight is where we get to pat each other on the back by patting somebody else on the back, because that somebody else is us. And it's something that I look forward to every year since I've known about this kaupapa, because it's such a big change in culture as to what I was used to growing up. I was always known as a show-off, as a blow-ass, because I didn't know that you had to be humble. I just thought, teachers are dicks, that's why you got me on detention all the time. But it was because I had something that I believed that I was good at. And it seems to be that we're allowed to believe that, and I think it's a beautiful thing. So I just want to thank Tim and Tauawhi for getting this evening together. Thank each and every one of you for being here tonight. To our distinguished guests who have come from near and afar, thank you for making your way here. Look how packed we are. If anybody here needs to go for a mimi, I'm afraid it's too late. You're stuck. You're just going to have to hold it. It's like when you were at school. Wait for the bell to ring and run as fast as you can.